Good morning, students. Welcome back to your social studies class. In our last class, we started a new chapter from your book. The name of the chapter was Delhi, the heart of India. In our last class, we talked about the location, climate, and about the culture of Delhi. In today's class, we are going to finish the chapter. So, first we are going to talk about transport. As Delhi is the capital of our country, the transport system is also very fast. Although this is a very polluted city right now, the level of air pollution is very high, and that is very alarming also. By the way, the metro rail can be found in Delhi, and this is one of the modern types of metro transport system. This is very swift and fast. It connects all the city together. Apart from metro, Delhi has an international airport that connects Delhi to the rest of the world. The name of the international airport is Indira Gandhi International Airport. So this is the international airport in Delhi. Apart from this, buses, taxis, auto rickshaws are also available as a part of its transport system. However, the transport system is very swift and fast in Delhi. Now we will know about the tourist spots. Have you ever visited Delhi? What have you seen there? Now, in Delhi, there are many monuments and tourist spots that you can visit. First of all, Red Fort and Jama Masjid. Red Fort and Jama Masjid were built by Shah Jahan, and they are built with red sandstones. In the Red Fort, on 15th August, our Prime Minister hoists the national flag. So it is of great importance. So in Red Fort, the Prime Minister hoists our national flag on 15th August. Apart from them, there are various places to visit like the Qutub Minar, India Gate, Jantar Mantar, Shankar's Doll Museum, the zoo, etc. India Gate is one of the finest monuments that represent India to the world. It is very popular. And the Qutub Minar is one of the finest towers in India. It was built back in the Sultani era. So these were some of the most important tourist spots. Now we will talk about another important spot that is located in Delhi. Rajghat. Rajghat is the Samadhi of Mahatma Gandhi, Gandhiji, the father of our nation. So, this is very important place. In Rajghat, we can find Amar Jawan Jyoti, a flame that represents the sacrifice of the soldiers of our country. So this is one of the most important places of Delhi. So these were the tourist spots. Now we will talk about the other aspects as well. As we have already learned in our previous class that many types of people live in Delhi. They are from the different states. They have different culture, languages, and also they have different religion. And we have also studied the fact that in Delhi, various festivals are celebrated equally. So, in Delhi, we can find various places of worship of different religions. We are now going to read the names of the various worship places of Delhi. Places of worship. First of all, we have Akshardham Temple. The Akshardham Temple. Then we have Lakshmi Narayan Temple. Lakshmi Narayan Temple. Then we have the famous Lotus Temple. Then we have Gurudwara Bangla Sahib. Gurudwara Bangla Sahib. Jama Masjid and St. Thomas Church. These are the worship places of different religions. But one must visit all of them as they are places of great attraction. Now, in Delhi, the Great Commonwealth Games was organized in 2010. In 2010, the Commonwealth Games was organized in Delhi. And the Rajiv Gandhi Chowk and Connaught Place are some of the popular marketplaces of Delhi. So, these were all the facts that we are going to learn in this chapter. Now, students, don't forget to read your book. That will help you. I will finish my class here. I think you have understood today's class. Goodbye.